10 days ago, we made a video going over ZETA and talking about why I thought there was a really good chance that price was going to break out in the first quarter of 2026. Today, the stock is up over 18% and up 10% after hours off the back that they are going to be partnering up with OpenAI. Now, the reason that we were bullish on this in the first place is mainly because our criteria for our trading system was met. You're going to see here, zooming out to a monthly chart, that first and foremost, market structure for ZETA is bullish. The way that we teach market structure within our courses is very simple. Bullish market structure is when price is breaking out into a high, pulling back into a higher low, and continuing this type of cadence and pattern. This is the type of market structure that we want to trade, and really we want to be buying when price is pulling back. Bearish market structure, however, is something that we never want to trade. And you will see here that ZETA is pulling back here in the summer, and we are pulling back into a higher low. So just off of market structure alone, it looks like price wants to break out over the next couple of months. Now, the second aspect of our strategy and the main reason that we take our positions is because the monthly BX trender is showing a macro bull cycle and telling us that there's buying pressure behind this. You will see here, going back to July of 2025, the BX trender at the bottom of your screen increased from dark red to light red, signaling that we are now entering a bull cycle. The last time that this occurred was back in December of 2023, where the stock rallied nearly 375% before eventually ending the cycle with a 121% profit. So when this occurs, there's usually a pretty good chance that a massive breakout is going to happen. You'll see in just the past 4.5 years running this simple strategy, we would have only had 3 entries with a 67% win rate and a risk versus reward of 7.42 with a max drawdown of nearly 40%. Now, I know a lot of you might say, well, how did your technicals know that an OpenAI deal was going to happen? And there's really 2 things that I would pose you with as far as questions. First and foremost, does it even matter? In my opinion, no. None of my trading is based off of fundamentals, news, the state of the economy, the Federal Reserve, none of that. I cannot control any of that, and I don't even try to. Instead, all of my trades are based off of statistics and data. If my criteria and my system is telling me that this is a buy, I am simply going to buy because it's a framework and a system that I can repeat and stick to for the long term, which is what I'm here for. Now, as far as price targets for ZETA, I am pricing in a move up to about $35 within the next 6 to 8 months. The reason for this, as stated before, the monthly BX is compressing and showing buying pressure. You're also going to notice that on the THT volume profile, which is here on the right side of your screen, we basically have no volume from $20 all the way up into $40. And when this volume profile indicator is showing no volume, it means we have a clear roadmap for a significant breakout. And so I feel really, really good about this. I'm currently holding this in my main fund. And we also started a new $100,000 fund that follows the same exact system within our Discord community. We rebalanced this and started it on January 1st. I'm currently holding about $2,000 worth of shares, and I'm up about 14%. So I think that there's a huge runway for this stock as we head into 2026, and I am ready for the breakout. If you want to learn my entire trading system and get access to all of the indicators that you saw today, such as the BX trender and the volume profile, the link to all of our indicators are down in the description in the course library entirely for free. I highly recommend starting with the BX trender and learning the first step of our system. And then from there, you will learn how to build discipline, how to actually understand market structure, and implement the rest of these indicators. The link is down below, and I'll see you guys next time.